Christmas, sir.
It looks pretty new. Oops. It's locked. Oops. This lid is broken, but still holding though. Let's see how bad or how good is this. Hey, it's brand new, so we don't need to worry about that. Put it back. So by the way, if you want to replace it, that's the part number right there. And when you install it, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down. Is that my gloves? Ah. I'm gonna note this, but when you put it in, it's still gonna hold it. So yeah, I'm not gonna recommend that, but I will note it. Alright guys, so here is the 17mm drain plug, and here is your engine oil filter. Let's go ahead and drain the oil. I got my 17mm right here. This is an awesome tool. It is an OTC. If you guys would like to buy one of these, I do have a link down below.
This is that car I was talking about.
That one? Yeah. Hold on, this is a right-hand drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, a great tool. Right, so remove the old one. Do not reuse the old gasket. Not good. Put this in. And torque it to spec. There we go, guys. That's it. Need a refill. This is a brake cleaner, by the way. Go ahead and remove the old filter. And here is the engine oil filter, and here is the part number. Remove the old one. Let's see if we can able to use this guy to undo this. Oh yeah. All right, on. Whoa. So this will actually do that too, but just be careful. Now it's time to install the filter. Oh yeah, don't forget, lubricate the gasket right here before you put it in. Hand tight. There you go. Okay, so I did refill my brake cleaner. And let's go ahead and clean this guy. Okay. Make sure your filter is tight. All right. Okay, so we just installed new 2 tires in the front, so we don't have to rotate this. And let's go ahead and do a quick visual inspection. This one's still looking pretty good. Looks like brakes are new, at least in the rear. How about the front one? Front, they're not new, but they are at least 8 millimeter. Okay, we're all cleaned up and tight. Sweet. Let's lower it down. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right, let's add what? 5W20. How many quarts? It's right here. Or here. Alright, so we don't have to replace this. It's still looking pretty new, but there's a lot of stuff down there. Let me go ahead and clean it really quick.
Hi Ryan.
Hi!
I do you a favor, you do me a favor?
What's up, sir?
You're not gonna like it.
Well,
At least I'm not gonna lie to you.
I know, right? Okay. What is it?
Kip's not here, so I can't give this back to him.
Okay.
But he did some work on this, and now they're having problems with the HVAC system.
Ooh. People's come back. Here we go. Well, let's fix this. All right, good enough. Yep. All right, so this one is ready to go back, and it's pretty clean down there. All right, so start the car. I got new sticker. My gloves are clean. Let's go ahead and oops, remove the old one. There's some stuff left over there. I don't like it. All right, let's go clean this really quick before we can install the new sticker, so it's gonna look clean. There you go. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and figure it out how to reset the maintenance light. It's not even on, but I would like to go ahead and reset it. User setting, look for convenience, no service interval, press OK. Oh, it's disabled, so we're just gonna keep it that way. Okay, cool. Shut it off. Alright, so I let the engine set for about 2 minutes so we can properly check the fluid level. Alright guys, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We're good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.